Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you why I switched to Pop! OS in 2025. So Pop! OS is based on Ubuntu, but it's not just a copy. System 76 adds its own Cosmic desktop, full disk encryption out of the box, and crazy smooth GPU support. That means Nvidia or AMD stuff just works. No wrestling with drivers. If you're into machine learning or gaming, that's a huge win. But what really stands out is Cosmic, the desktop environment written in Rust, now evolving into its own thing. You get smart, auto tiling, customizable panels, a dock applet, and that Spotlight style launcher under Super, so you find anything in seconds under the hood. It uses modern gear, ZRAM memory, compression, system deboot, Flatpak support instead of snap updates come on your schedule, and firmware and kernel updates are smooth thanks to frequent security and performance patch. So what's solid? Fast boot, efficient Java builds, and a polished productivity-friendly desktop. Reviewers say tiling is user-friendly, GPU support is top tier, and it's stable enough to ditch Windows. What's the trade-off? Boot time can feel a bit longer occasionally. The pop shop is buggy, and Cosmic and Alpha might crash. Some apps also, if you rely on weird niche software, the repo may not include it. Here's my verdict. If you want a modern, privacy-focused developer friendly OS that just works especially with GPUs, Pop! OS is awesome. Flexible desktop, secure encryption, great performance out of the box on the fence, give a spin, and a VM or a live USB. Now, should you use it if you're coding full-time using containers game or doing machine learning? You will love Pop! OS. If you need flawless compatibility for obscure apps or zero alpha phase work, maybe stick with Ubuntu or Fedora for now. That's Pop! OS, powerful, customizable, and built for productivity. Give it a test, and I think you will stick around. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.